ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद 396 मंत्र नंबर 21 is going on. संबंध भाष्य of this we have seen. Now भाष्य अथातोनंतरम व्रतमीमांसोपासन कर्म विचारणा इत्यर्थ कर्म विचारणे इत्यर्थः। अथातो अथात का अर्थ है अनंतर। अथातः मीन्स अनंतरम, लाइक इन ब्रह्मसूत्र अथातो, सो अथ इज अनंतरम। अतः शब्द इन टीका इट इज देयर ऑन प्रीवियस पेज। जिज्ञासायाः सत्वम अतः शब्दार्थः। अतः शब्दार्थ इज जिज्ञासायाः सत्वम मीन्स देयर इज जिज्ञासा। व्हेन सो जिज्ञासा when it is, then ataha. So atha is ananta, athataha is anantaram. Anantaram, so we saw yesterday vyavahita upasana. This is vyavahita upasana. Vyavahita upasana because earlier Vangmana Prana upasana is given. Now in between there was all the discussion, and now again this Mimamsa for Vratam is given. Vrata Mimamsa. जिज्ञासायाः सत्वम अथ अतः शब्दार्थ। उपासना उक्ति आनंतर्यम अथ शब्दार्थम कथयति, and अथ शब्द is after upasana. Which upasana? वांगमन प्राणानाम उपासना, that upasana. अनंतरम इति। In Mimamsa, what is the pratyaya?
Sun. Pratyaya.
San pratyaya. Like in Jignasa, san pratyaya. Mimamsa also san pratyaya. Swarayati. Yesham. भाष्य येषां प्राणानां कस्य कर्म व्रतत्वेन धारयितव्यम् इति मीमांसा प्रवर्तते. So this मीमांसा is about what? व्रत मीमांसा. येषां प्राणानां कस्य कर्म. येषां means indriya also you have to take as prana. Among all indriyas and prana, kasya vratam, kasya karma व्रतत्वेन धारयितव्यम. Which karma should be taken as vrata, vratattvena dharayitavyam. About this there is mimamsa. Mimamsa pravartate. Imagine how laukika people are occupied in their life about things, and how in Shastra they are discussing the prana or prananam kasya karma vratattvena धार्यते और धारयितव्यम. In that there is Mimamsa. So then many times we think, what is all this? This is so far from where we live and what we live. Katham वागादिषु कर्णेषु कर्म शब्द प्रवृत्ति इत्याशंक्य आह. Vagadi are karana, but in mantra, karma shabda is used. If you see the mantra, it is given Shrotram eva anyani karmani, yatha karma. So karmani, actually they are karanani. Earlier also, prajapatirha karmani sasruje. Karmani means karanani sasruje. So why karana shabda, instead of that, karma shabda is used? In Bhashya. Tatra prajapatirha ha shabda kila arthe. Prajapatirha ha means kila. किलार्थे प्रजापति ही किल प्रजा सृष्ट्वा कर्माणि करणानि वागादीनि कर्मार्थानि ही तानि इति कर्माणि इत्युच्यन्ते. सृष्ट्वा कर्माणि मीन्स करणानि वागादीनि. Why? What is the role of karana? They are for the sake of karma. Karmarthani karanani. Hi tani iti karmani ityuchyante. Therefore, they are called karma. Actually, they are karana. Prajapati hi sasrije. Sasrije anvay we have to do with Prajapati hi. Prajapati hi karanani sasrije. This is the mukhya vakya. Srishtavan. Vagadini karanani ityartha. Vagadini karanani sasrije. टीका. तदीय सृष्टेः उपयोगम उपदर्शयितुं भूमिकां करोति. तदीय सृष्टेः of that तदीय सृष्टि means कर्ण सृष्टि. सृष्टेः उपयोगम उपदर्शयितुं. What is the upayoga of this सृष्टि? What is the use of this सृष्टि? टिप्पणी नंबर 2. उपयोगम वदनादि व्यापार निष्पत्ति रूपम फलम. These karanas, then we are able to accomplish the vag vyapara, vadana, shravana vyapara, darshana vyapara, ityadi. Darshayitum bhumikam karoti. तानि पुनः सृष्टानि अन्योन्येन इतरेतरम अस्पर्धन्त स्पर्धाम संघर्षम चक्रुः. स्पर्धाम अनुस्वार इज नॉट देयर. तानि पुनः सृष्टानि. तानि करणानि कर्माणि. हियर इट इज गिवन एज पुनः सृष्टानि अन्योन्येन मीन्स इतरेतरम अस्पर्धन्त. They started doing spardha, aspardhanta, spardham chakruhu, sangharsham chakruhu. They did the sangharsha in the form of competition. Chakruhu. Chakruhu is ekvachanam or dvivachanam? Bahuvachanam of Kri dhatu. Which lakara?
Lit lakara.
Lit lakara. Chakruhu. टीका. स्पर्धा प्रकारम प्रश्न पूर्वकम प्रकटयति. कथम? How did they do spardha with each other? That prashna rupena he is explaining now. वदिष्यामि एव स्वव्यापारात् वदनात् अनुपरता एव अहं स्याम् इति वाग्व्रतं दध्रे धृतवती वाक् व्रतं दध्रे. In this way, the Vakya is Vak Vratam Dadre. Vag Indriya took the Vratam. Dadre Dhritavati. What? Vadishyami eva. Swavyaparaat Vadanad Anuparata eva. From my Vyapara of the Vadana, I will be Anuparata. Means non-stop I will talk. This is what Vagindriya wanted to do. Anuparata eva aham syam. And then Vagindriya said, Yad anyopi mat samo asti swa vyaparad anuparattum shaktah sopi darshayatu atmano viryam iti. Yadi anyopi mat samo asti, if there is anyone equal to me, then swa vyaparad anuparantum shaktah, from its own vyapara, swasya vyapara, anuparantum shaktah, means non-stop they can do that vyapara. So api darshayatu, that indri also should show what I can do. Darshayatu. What? Atmano viryam iti. Tika. यथा कर्म स्वीयं स्वीयं व्यापारम अनुसृत्य व्रतम दद्रिरे वागादीनि करणानि इत्यर्थः. यथा कर्म, यथा कर्म, कर्म अनतिक्रम्य, स्वीयं स्वीयं व्यापारम अनुसृत्य, one's own vyapara means Shravanendriya will do only Shravanam, Vagindriya will do only Vadanam, Chakshurindriya only Darshanam. Swiyam swiyam vyaparam anusritya vratam dadrire vagadini karnani ityartha. How? In Bhashya, next page. Tatha drakshyami aham iti chakshuhu, श्रोष्यामि अहम इति श्रोत्रम एवं अन्यानि कर्माणि करणानि यथा कर्म यद यद यस्य कर्म यथा कर्म तानि करणानि मृत्युर मारकः श्रमः श्रमरूपी भूत्वा उपयेमे संजग्राह स्वकर्मभ्यः प्रत्यावितवान् इत्यर्थः. तथा चक्षु, चक्षु said I will do this vratam. Drakshyami aham. Anuparata. Anuparata you have to understand. Shrotra Indriya said Shroshyami aham. Evam anyani karmani. Karmani means karana. Karma shabda here is for karana. Evam anyani karnani, karmani karnani yatha karma स्वस्य कर्म यद यद यस्य कर्म यथा कर्म तानि करणानि मृत्युर्मारकः श्रमः श्रमरूपी भूत्वा उपयेमे. हाउ दे गॉट एंगेज? मृत्युः मारकः तानि करण. सो हियर तानि करणानि यथा कर्म यद यद यस्य कर्म यथा कर्म. Up to that you should understand as one sentence. After that is another vakya. मृत्युः तानि कर्माणि तानि करणानि मृत्युः कः मारकः. सो मृत्युः मारकः. तानि करणानि श्रमः श्रमरूपी भूत्वा उपयेमे. मृत्यु अप्रोच दोस इंद्रियस. तानि करणानि द्वितीय. श्रमरूपी भूत्वा उपयेमे. उपयेमे संजग्राह. इन संजग्राह देयर इज ए सूत्र उरत. Like how kru becomes chakara, tru becomes tatara, gru will become jagraha, and kuhoschuhu is also there. But this urat sutra you should remember. Rivarnanta dhatu will get akara adesha. So that's why when the dvitva is there, it is not kru kru. It is ka kru, and then ka will become cha because of kuhoshu. श्रमरूपी भूत्वा उपयेमे. यम यम धातु संयमने. तो उप इज उपसर्ग ये में. दिस कर्मणि प्रयोग ये में. कर्मणि लिट आई थिंक. यम उपरमे धातु कर्मणि लिट. What did mrityu do to those indriyas? Swakarmabhyah pratyavitavan ityartha. Swakarmabhyah means swavratebhyah. That vrata that they had taken, from that vrata pratyavitavan, mrityu made them exhausted. So they said, Vagindriya said, I will go on talking. But mrityu came near that, Vagindriya got exhausted in this. Pratyavitavan ityartha. Praja, in the bhashya, katham तानि करणानि स्वव्यापारे प्रवृत्तानि आपनोत् श्रम रूपेण आत्मानं दर्शितवान् आप्त्वा च तानि अवारुन्धः अवरोधं कृतवान् मृत्युः स्वकर्मभ्यः प्रत्यावितवान् इत्यर्थः. तानि करणानि स्वव्यापारे प्रवृत्तानि. They were all engaged in swavyapara with the vrata that we will continue forever. स्वव्यापारे प्रवृत्तानि आपनोत् श्रम रूपेण आत्मानं दर्शितवान्. जिस मृत्यु श्रम रूपेण आत्मानं दर्शितवान्. आप्त्वा च तानि अवरुन्ध अवरोधं कृतवान् मृत्युः. मृत्यु created avarodha for them, and the result of that was swakarmabhyah pratyavitavan ityartha. Tika. Pratyuti means to fall, to drop from one's own karma or whatever resolve. Chuti. टीका. प्रजापतेर वागादिषु श्रमद्वारा स्वकर्म प्रच्युतिः आसीत् इत्यत्र कार्यलिंगकम् अनुमानं प्रमाणयति. प्रजापते वागादिषु श्रम द्वारा स्वकर्म प्रच्युति ही आसीत्. प्रजापति वागादिषु इन दी वागादि इंद्रिय श्रम द्वारा बाय श्रम स्वकर्म प्रच्युति ही आसीत्. They, because they got exhausted, therefore there was swakarma pratyuti. In this karyalingakam anumanam pramanayati. Karyalingakam, how will be the samasa vigraha?
कार्यं लिङ्गं यस्यः
Yasya.
कार्यलिङ्गकम्.
No. Karyam lingam yasya. Then tat, not saha. This is napumsakalinga. Karyam lingam yasya. Tat karyalingakam अनुमानम प्रमाणयति. तस्मात् अद्यत्वे अपि 8 नंबर टिप्पणी हैज अनुमानम. प्रजा वागादिगतः श्रमः सकारणकः कार्यगतत्वात् घटादिगत रूपादिवत् इत्याहुः. प्रजा वागादिगतः. So praja means people who are there now. Vagamaha, this is paksha. Sakaranakaha, this is sadhya. Karyagatatvat, because this shrama is there in Prajavagadi, it is karya. Prajavag is karya. So Prajavagadikata shramaha karyagatatvam will be there in paksha. Ghatadigata rupat. Ghatadigata rupadivat. So Ghatadigata rupatvam is Drishtanta. In that also there is Karyagatatvam. So in Drishtanta, Hetu is there. And in Drishtanta, Sadhya Sakaranakatvam will be there. So Prajavagatigata Shama also will have some Karana. Mrityu is the Karana. तस्माद् अद्यत्वे अपि वदने स्वकर्मणि प्रवृत्ता वाक् श्राम्यति एव श्रमरूपिण was given as Prajavak. Shramarupina mrityuna sanyuta swakarmatah pratyavate, because it is associated with Shramarupi mrityu and therefore it falls from swakarma. Swakarmatah pratyavate. Tika. वागादीनां भग्नव्रतत्व निर्धारण आनंतर्यम अथ शब्दार्थः. अथ, हाँ, आफ्टर वन मोर सेंटेंस, तथा श्राम्यति चक्षुः श्राम्यति श्रोत्रम. Then atha is there. What is that atha? वागादीनां भग्नव्रतत्व निर्धारण आनंतर्यम. So Vagadinam Vrata was Bhagnam. By Cain, by whom? Mrutyuna. Bhagnavratatva Nirdharana Anantaryam. Atha. Thereafter, Atham. Atha Imameva Mukhyam Pranam Na Apnot Na Praptavan Mrutyuhu Shrama Rupi Yoyam Madhyamah Pranaha Tam. Yoyam Madhyamah Pranaha तम मृत्यु श्रमरूपी तम श्रमरूपी मृत्यु न आपनोत न प्राप्तवान. So to this madhyama prana, madhyama yesterday I had explained in this way: hiranyagarbha, mukhya prana and indriyani. Prana shabda vyavahar happens at samashti level and vyashti level. Here madhyama tippanikar has given sharira madhya bhava, sharira madhya bhava. So madhyama, that which is there in the sharira. So indriyanis are also called prana, but this is mukhya, they are gauna. They are also in sharira madhya only. टीका प्राजापत्ये प्राणे मृत्युग्रस्तत्व अभावे कार्यलिंगकम अनुमानम सूचयति तेन इति. प्राजापत्य प्राणे, in the प्राजापत्य प्राण मृत्युग्रस्तत्व अभावे. So in the prana mrityu-grastatvam was not there. In other indriya mrityu-grastatvam was there. So you might have noticed since beginning of Brihadaranyaka how many times prana has been glorified, how many prana upasanas have been given. Jeshtatva, Sreshtatva. Earlier it was said that these asuras, they attacked all the indriyas and those indriyas did not sustain. But when it attacked prana, then like a lump of clay hits the rock, that clay got shattered, nothing happened to rock. This drishtanta was given. So all this is to show, because prana is selfless. At that time it was given that they all wanted something for Atmane and something for others. Prana was totally selfless. It was just doing its thing. So now also that same thing, prana doesn't get affected by mrityu. There is no shrama. Prana continues. Whereas other indriyas, they have shrama. And earlier also, we saw in Brihadaranyaka, I think it comes later, that everybody said, I will go, I will go. It comes in Chandogya, in Brihadaranyaka, it comes at the end. Did we see it? No. It comes in the 6th chapter in Brihadaranyaka, that same Kalaha Shruti. Indriyanis, they will say, we will go. Okay, go. When prana says, I will go, then everybody is lifeless in this way. So they know who is the Sreshtha. So all this Jeshtatva, Sreshthatva, and so many other gunas, Vasishthatva, Papa Avidhatva, Asura Papa, Vedhanam is not there. All of them, Suvarna, and some other, Shuddhatva, Suvarnatva, all so many prana upasanas with guna, prana guna upasanas were given. And the one who goes on, I think those who are these practitioners of pranayama, they are asked to do this ekagrata, means pay attention to prana, and then some of these also, if you pay attention to, you will derive benefits from that. This is, it is shastriya, depending upon how much the person uses the shastra in those practices. Highest is Hiranyagarbha Upasana then. प्राजापत्ये प्राणे मृत्युग्रस्तत्व अभावे कार्यलिंगकम अनुमानं सूचयति। तेन तेन आद्यत्वे अपि अश्रांत एव स्वकर्मणि प्रवर्तते। तानि इतराणि करणानि अद्यत्वे तेन अद्यत्वे अपि अश्रांत एव स्वकर्मणि प्रवर्तते। तानि इतराणि करणानि तु ज्ञातुं दद्रिरे धृतवन्ति मनः। सो अद्यत्वे अपि प्राणः अश्रांत एव, प्राण विदाउट गेटिंग एग्जॉस्टेड स्वकर्मणि प्रवर्तते। तानि इतराणि करणानि तु तं ज्ञातुं दद्रिरे मनः धृतवन्ति। सो the other indriyas, they all took the vratam, what in their mind. Tam jnatum, we have to know this prana. What is the vishesha about this prana that it is not getting exhausted, and how come we are getting exhausted? Tam jnatum dadrire. Tika pravartate prana iti sambandha. Pravartate is there in the last line. तथापि कथम प्राणस्यैव व्रतं धार्यम् इति अपेक्षायाम् आह। वायु प्राणस्यैव व्रतं धार्यम् तानि इतराणि करणानि तं ज्ञातुं, दैट वाक्य, दद्रिरे धृतवन्ति मनः। ज्ञानार्थम अनुसंधान प्रकारम एव दर्शयति। नाउ फॉर ज्ञानम सम अनुसंधानम इज रिक्वायर्ड, सम चिंतनम इज रिक्वायर्ड। अयम वै नः अस्माकं मध्ये श्रेष्ठः प्रशस्यतमो अभ्यधिको यस्मात् यः संचरंश्च असंचरंश्च न व्यथते अथो न रिष्यति। हन्त इदानीम् अस्यैव प्राणस्य सर्वे वयं रूपम् असाम प्राणम् आत्मत्वेन प्रतिपद्येमहि। So Anusandhanam, how did they do Anusandhanam? In this way. Ayam vai naha asmakam madhye sreshtaha. Ayam pranaha vai. Indeed, this prana among us, asmakam madhye sreshtaha. Prashasyatamaha. See tama pratyay there. Atishayane tamabishtanau. And if it is tarap, then
Tarabiyasno.
Tarabiya sunau. Before that, what is the pada? Upapade?
Vivachano bhajopapade tarabiyasno.
Vivachana vibhajyopapade tarabiyasno. Tarab and iyasun pratyaya. Here it is tarab, tamap. Prashasya tamaha abhyadiko. Yasmat, he is sreshtaha. Yasmat, yaha sancharanscha asancharanscha. When he is moving or he is not moving, na vyathate atho na rishyati. He is never tired, and na rishyati, na vinashyati. हंत इदानीम अस्यैव प्राणस्य सर्वे वयम रूपम असाम. Therefore, we all should take the rupa of this prana. Means we should become one with this prana. How? Pranam atmatvena pratipadyemahi. We will take atma prana as our own atma. In this way, they did dhyanam, they did anusandhana. So this was the in Tika. Tasya sreshthatve phalitamaha. What is the phalam of being sreshtha? Others will become one with you in this way. Iti shabdam vyakaroti. Iti shabda is there in the mantra. Rupam asama iti. On 397, first line. Asyevar sarve rupam asama. That one. एवं विनिश्चित्य त एतस्यैव सर्वे रूपम अभवन. प्राण रूपम एव आत्मत्वेन प्रतिपन्नाः प्राणव्रतम एव दद्रिरे अस्मद्व्रतानि न मृत्योर्वारणाय पर्याप्तानि इति. एवं विनिश्चित्य. In this way, having concluded, te but if you take indriyani, it is napunsakalinga. Bahuvachanam, it will not go. Tani, it should have been if you take napunsakalinga. So you will have to take some pullinga shabda. Vagadayo. Te sarve. Te tasyeva sarve. Te sarve, but te sarve, sarvaha sarvam, sarve. In pullinga, sarvaha sarvam, sarve. Te sarve. In that way you can take. Yeah. Indriyani. Te tasyeva sarve rupam abhavan. They all became prana rupam. Prana rupam eva atmatvena pratipanna. See here also pulling again. Pratipanna. Somewhere pulling a shabda should be there for this. Vagadaya. Vagadaya, if you take Vagadayo pratipanna. Te Vagadaya. Pratipanna. Pranavratam eva dadrire. They took the Pranavratam. Why? Asmadvratani mrutyoho varanaaya na paryaptani iti. Asmadvratani mrutyoho varanaaya. Our vratam. Vratam is also Napunsakalinga. is not capable enough for mrityu varanam. Means we are not able to keep mrityu away. Mrityu is taking over. Tika. अस्माकं वागादीनां व्रतानि मृत्योर्वारणाय न पर्याप्तानि इति विनिश्चित्य दद्रिरे प्राणव्रतम एव इति संबंधः. प्राणव्रतम दद्रिरे. फर्दर इन टीका. प्राणरूपत्वम् उक्त्वा करणानां तन्नामत्वम् आह. यस्मात् प्राणरूपेण रूपवन्ति इतराणि करणानि चलनात्मना स्वेन च प्रकाशात्मना. So all the karanas, they got the name prana. Why? Because now they became prana rupavan, rupavanti, prana rupena rupavanti, itarani karanani. While doing chalanam means swasva vyapara, and prakashatmana means illumining also. Tika. Yasmad ityasya tasmad iti vyavahitena sambandha. Yasmad is there, tasmat. Tasmad is there in the third line in the Bhashya. Yasmad and tasmad should be connected. Tika. We'll just see one or two lines more. Prana rupam chalanatmatvam iti kuto nishchiyate tatra. How you say prana rupam is chalanatmatvam? Nahi prana anyatra chalanatmatva upapattihi. Other than prana, there is no chalanam anywhere. So chalana vyapara purvakani eva hi sarvada swavyapareshu lakshante indriyani. Chalana vyapara purvakani. Chalana vyaparo पूर्वं येषां तानि कर्माणि चलन व्यापार पूर्वकाणि एव हि सर्वदा स्वव्यापारेषु लक्ष्यन्ते. They all are seen or understood in this way only. First prana chalanam will happen, then indriyas will start functioning, not otherwise. Tasmad ete vagadayah etena pranavidhanena akhyayante abhidhiyante prana iti eva. Therefore, these vagadayah, they all are referred as prana. Tika. Tarhi karaneshu prakashatmakatvam eva na chalanatmatvam iti ashankya. In karana, only prakashatmakatvam is there. Chalanam is not actually belonging to indriya. But when prana has, then they will have chalanam. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Krutau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्ति भेद विभागिने व्योमवद् व्याप्त देहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.